Wake up, it's going to be a busy day. Wake up and up and up and stretch and scratch and scrub and wash. Comb your hair, give teeth a brush. It's time to dress. Dress up, pen up, pen up. Find pants and vests and shoes and socks and shorts and coats and your favorite tops. It's time for school. It's time for school. Listen up and up and read and draw and count and spell. Ask and answer, show and tell. It's time to play. Swing up and up. It's time to play. It's time to play up and up. And run and jump and climb and slide. Sing and dance, seek and hide. It's time for dinner. Eat up and up and up. And chew and sip and slurp and crunch. Use knife and fork and chop and munch. It's time to wash, clean up and up. Then pick and choose and search and look. And read aloud the perfect book. Unless it's time to cuddle up and up. Cuddle up and up. Good night. Say good night, yawn and stretch. Shut your eyes, doze and rest. It's time to having dreams.